friends, today I'm going to show you a quick egg snacks recipe. It's very easy to make and watch it till the end to see as to how we get the heart shapes. Let's look at the ingredients. I have taken here 3 organic eggs, but you can use the ones that you have. Some vegetables, little bit color coordinated, so some white onions, tomatoes, green onions and some carrots. You can always add the vegetables that you like. Some black pepper, you can also freshly grind it, but I'm just using the powder, and some salt to taste. First we are going to break all 3 eggs in a bowl. So just like that, break all of them. And what we are going to do is separate out the egg yolks and the egg whites. So take a separate bowl, and with the help of a bottle I'm just going to take out those yolks. So just one by one take them out like these. Now the yolks and egg whites are separated. Let's beat them. Make it nice and fluffy, so for about 10-15 seconds just beat them. Now we'll add vegetables to both of them, so little by little, some onions, some carrots, some green onions and some tomatoes. Add some salt. And add some pepper powder. Mix both the mixtures really well, so the egg yolks also mixed within the vegetables like that, as well as the egg whites. Make a nice fluffy batter for both of them. This is how they look, so the egg yolks are a little thicker and then the egg whites become more fluffier. So now put the flame to medium high and take a non-stick pan and let it heat up. Once the pan is hot enough, add about 2 teaspoons of oil. Spread the oil across the pan like that. Once the oil is hot, add the egg yolks batter to the pan. So put in all of that batter and spread the vegetables with the help of a spoon. Let it cook for about 20 to 30 seconds, so much that the cover looks cooked. And then with the help of a spatula, start rolling it like this. Take a help of a fork if you need to make sure that the roll doesn't fall off. So just like that, form a roll and then take it on the side of a pan. Now start adding the egg whites mixture like that on the side of the yolks batter so that it sticks together. Let it cook for about 15 to 20 seconds. Just spread it like this. Now we are going to follow the same pattern, and then with the help of a spatula and fork just start forming the roll. So just continue doing it. Take it on the side and start rolling. And take this roll on the side and then put in all the remaining egg whites mixture. Spread it if you need to like that, and then again we are going to let it cook for about 10 to 15 seconds till the top kind of is cooked, and then continue forming the roll. So look at how beautifully our egg roll has formed. That's perfect. It's complete now. Let it cook for 30 or 40 seconds and let it take out in a plate. Here is our beautiful egg roll ready. We are going to let it cool down for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now it's cooled down. Let's take off those edges and then cut it into pieces like these, as wide as the width of a finger. So just cut them off like these. Here I'll show you how we are going to form the heart shape with this cut piece. So just take it out on a plate and give it a cut in between diagonally. So very gradually cut it like that. Take out the other side and turn it upside down to make a heart shape like this. Look at that beautiful heart shape that is formed. Let's continue doing the same for these other cut pieces as well. So just again cut it in between diagonally and turn it upside down to form the heart shape. So now our cute heart-shaped egg snacks are ready. Look at how beautiful they look. They can be an easy snack or an appetizer recipe. Do try them and let me know how it goes. If you liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.